Keeping your Samsung Galaxy organized can make your daily phone use much smoother and faster. One simple way to do that is by arranging your apps in alphabetical order so you can instantly find anything without scrolling endlessly. To start, unlock your Samsung phone and open the app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of your home screen. This drawer contains all the apps installed on your device, so it's the main place where sorting will apply. Next, look at the top section of the screen where the search bar is located. On the right side of the search bar, tap the three vertical dots. More options. A small menu will appear with several settings for customizing your app view. From this menu, tap on Sort. You will then see different sorting choices. Select Alphabetical Order. Once you tap it, your phone will automatically rearrange all your apps from A to Z in just a second. There is no need to restart your phone or manually move anything. Everything updates instantly, making your app list clean, structured, and easy to navigate. And just like that, your Samsung Galaxy is now more organized and user-friendly than before.